Orangeburg is a fun town to live in. It's a small, rural community town. Orangeburg is a local flavor kind of town. Orangeburg has been a very progressive utility for quite a number of years. And one of the latest things we've done is we've added this automatic transfer system that Siemens provided to allow us to do a better job of serving our customers. The plant behind me is Orangeburg DPU's largest customer. They are a 10 megawatt facility, about an 89% load factor. Then they make ibuprofen. A couple of years ago at this plant, we had an outage that lasted 45 minutes. A 45-minute outage is devastating to a plant like this. It's another 4 or 5 hours before they can even get restarted because they've got to clean all the vessels. A couple of days later, they had another large outage. The plant was furious and very mad at DPU, and the plant asked us what we were going to do.
Well, the utility came to us and they had a requirement for a fast transfer system. What the solution does is, firstly, it's a pole-top application, and it transfers sources in 100 milliseconds or less. So it's a really high-speed system and designed to ensure that there's absolutely no interruptions in power to a connected load.
Well, there are really 4 things that I love about this Siemens fast bus transfer system. 1, that it transfers under 6 cycles. 2, it's a 3-source transfer system. 3, the ease of installation of the system itself. And 4, the integration it has with our SCADA system. Orangeburg and Siemens worked together developing this product for Orangeburg by a series of tests and a series of visits.
We basically program the devices, we mimic the exact application out in our facility in Raleigh, and then we test it, the entire system, and create all possible scenarios that we could face in the field. And then after that, we invite the customer up to witness these tests.
By seeing the test, we know that it'll work and we know that it'll fit for Orangeburg.
From the first successful operation that we had during a big ice storm here in South Carolina, immediate impact was felt. The plant was held on for 25 hours while a substation was out of service.
I called the next day to the plant, and I called the chief engineer here and I asked him, you know, did you see a power blink yesterday? And he said, nobody reported a power outage, none whatsoever. If we do have an outage, it's going to automatically transfer. I don't have to get up at 3 o'clock in the morning, come out here and find out what happened. It's just that peace of mind that I have knowing that the system is here and really, really works well is a great benefit for me.
You can deploy it in any type of industry, being industrial, you can go to municipal, you can go to cooperatives, and even to big IOUs can benefit from this technology.
We use this automatic transfer scheme to help us when we get into negotiations with new customers. We mentioned that we can provide them with almost uninterruptible power and their ears perk up. We're going to be able to attract much larger customers to really help the economy of the local folks here.
Utilities sometimes have the idea that Siemens is this big global company, but this is proof that this product is a locally developed product for local utilities in collaboration with local utilities like Orangeburg DPU.